I am now the third owner of this old but well cared for Sears 12-inch bandsaw. I wanted to convert it to be a metal cutting bandsaw, so I did some research on what would be needed. The main thing is to slow the blade down substantially, since the high factory speed for wood cutting would destroy a bimetal cutting blade very quickly. I found out that I needed to slow the blade speed down from the factory 2,800 feet per minute to about 200 feet per minute for cutting steel. By using a compound pulley arrangement of two 10-inch pulleys and one 1.5-inch pulley, I was able to reduce the final pulley speed to 65 RPM, which gave me 212 feet per minute. I can't guarantee my figures are precise, but I'm in the ballpark. Because of the small diameter of the 1.5-inch pulley, I use cog V-belts for the tight bend. The tricky part was how to adjust belt tension for the two belts. I decided to use a two-way system to allow either belt to be adjusted even though they share an intermediate shaft. The pillow block bearings can be adjusted side to side, and the screw adjuster provides vertical movement. After I adjusted the pulley alignment and belt tension, I made a screen to cover the pulleys for safety. The converted bandsaw works very well. It could be faster for aluminum, but I compromised since I have only one speed, and I wanted to be able to cut steel. The next step is to make a new circular plate for the blade and table with less of a gap so small pieces don't fall through.